God, this is so sad. Yes po, na-offload ako sa invite letter like that. We must take AOS sa embassy. Take note, totoo yan sinasabi ni Cici. I'm really sorry to hear na na-offload ka. Hindi madali ma-offload. It's very depressing. Nakaka-stress yung mga effort na wasted. Yung pag-process pa lang ng papeles, yung patience mo to gather all of the documents, insurances, travel tickets, and especially if matapat ka sa IO na talakesa, talagang paulit-ulit mo yan maririnig. Nakaka-trauma talaga siya. Yan yung mahirap pag na-offload kasi it can be traumatic. Sa akin, kahit na I was able to successfully, get on board, get on the plane, and go through immigration, nakakatrauma pa rin. Yung kaba, talagang totoo yung kaba. Hindi naman kasi lahat sa atin kaya silang sagutin. Nakaka-intimidate din naman kasi yung mga IO, especially sa mga stories na naririnig natin. Talagang palakasan ng loob. But if matatapat ka talaga sa IO na may ugali, if matatapat ka sa IO na hahanapan ka ng papeles, and there's no other way kundi yung papeles talaga, wala kang magagawa. Hindi naman tayo mayaman, wala naman tayong, di ba? One can get a lawyer, but kaya please, travelers, if you can just gather AOS, original AOS also, wag yung scan, kasi may mga IOs din na ayaw ng scan, gusto nilang makita yung papeles talaga. Do process it. Just process it, so you'll be prepared. Because sometimes they're just gonna ask for AOS, and then you get stumped. Invitation letter, any letters, even sponsorship form from the embassy, from the country kung saan ka mag-apply kukuha ng visa, it's not a replacement for AOS. AOS is AOS, or Affidavit of Support and Guarantee, and that's it. It's the only affidavit, okay, na tatanggapin nila when it comes to if somebody sponsoring you. Please prepare.